guys, good morning. Good morning, Jensen. Good morning, General Santos City. We are here in Apupong. We're going somewhere. Papuntang bundok. Pabundok kami guys. Kasi
we're going to Lake Placid.
and dito kami ngayon. Diversion road. I like that car. Malaki. Ang family talaga yun. Pero hindi lang yung car.
We're going to visit my mom.
Charot. Oh, maganda ng sikat ng araw kasi mainit ngayon guys. Mainit ang panahon.